Welcome guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can turn on or turn off the Do Not Disturb mode and also customize this mode on your Amazon speaker. Okay, so we got two methods. The first one, we can just make it on the phone. So go for the devices tab, go for the echo, pick your speaker, and then just click right here to power on or power off the Do Not Disturb mode. If you want to make it wireless, let's use the voice command Alexa. Please enable the Do Not Disturb mode.
I won't disturb you.
Okay, and as you can see, the color change for the purple. It means that this option is right now enabled and will avoid any notifications and the phone calls. So yeah, that was how we can turn it on or off, but also we can customize. So tap on the right upper corner of the settings gear icon. Then to get for the Do Not Disturb mode, you have to scroll for the general tab and pick for the Do Not Disturb mode. Right here, let's turn it on manually and we can set the schedule. So we can pick the end and the start time. Here we can make it. And if you want to synchronize with your speaker, just tap right here. Okay, and that's it. Of course, it's the synchronize option is not working because I have only one speaker connected, but if you have like the bigger family of the speakers, so when you tap on the synchronize button, this option will be activated for any Amazon speaker that you have in your office, home, or in your setup. So yeah, that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.